Hey everybody, Fred McKinnon here with eComCatalyst. Today I want to talk to you about Amazon Vine. What is Amazon Vine program? How do you get into the Amazon Vine program? And how does the Amazon Vine program benefit me as a brand owner or as an e-commerce seller? And the biggest question that I get asked over and over and over is this: is Amazon Vine even worth it? All right, we're going to jump into that. Again, my name is Fred McKinnon. I'm an e-commerce seller. I've been a seller on the Amazon platform for over 20 years, over $100 million in revenue that I've sold or managed. And I also own an agency, eComCatalyst. We're a full service Amazon and third-party marketplace, a direct-to-consumer marketing agency. We help people like you, brand owners, people who have their own physical products that they're trying to sell, to scale, to grow their Amazon account, to grow how their e-commerce business is run. We can help you with that. Visit us at eComCatalyst.com. You can get a free consultation. You can talk to us, get more information, take advantage of our free resources. But right now, let's get back to the subject at hand, Amazon Vine. Now, first, what is Amazon Vine? Amazon Vine is an invitation-only, exclusive program for what Amazon determines to be some of the absolute best product reviewers, okay? So how do you get invited to Amazon Vine? Nobody really knows, but you want to routinely, consistently review every product that you purchase on Amazon. Leave a review, leave helpful reviews, leave reviews with images and videos and details that really help the consumer make a buying decision, okay? So if you've ever reviewed one of the products that you've purchased on Amazon, when you post and publish that review, the more of those reviews that you do, and then on top of that, the more helpful votes you have where people thumbs up your review, that shows Amazon, hey, people really like when this guy or this girl reviews products. Well, that kind of puts you on the radar to be invited to this exclusive club called Amazon Vine. And Amazon Vine members receive free products from the seller for the explicit purpose of leaving an honest, unbiased review. Now, it's completely against the terms and services of Amazon for you as a seller to incentivize a review. So for you to say, hey, go buy my product on Amazon, and if you'll leave me a 5-star review, I'll send you a $50 PayPal, or I'll give you a Starbucks gift card or something like that. Now, granted, completely a violation, totally shady, 100% black hat, but it happens all the time, every day, right? And if you get caught, your seller account will be suspended. It'll be shut down. We don't want to do that. We don't encourage people to do that. We don't encourage our clients to do that. The best way and the safest way to get reviews is by allowing these Amazon Vine reviewers access to your products so that they can leave a review, an unbiased, true review that Amazon knows came from their own Vine reviewers, which is called like voice of the Vine voice, all right? So number one, what is Amazon Vine? Again, it's an exclusive group of people that Amazon has invited to review products, all right? How do you get in there? Nobody knows, but the best way to get an invite is to be a frequent reviewer on the platform with helpful, good reviews, all right? And when I say good, I mean the quality of your review. I don't mean that it's a favorable review for the product. It needs to be an honest, unbiased, thorough review that other people find helpful. That gets you into the Vine program. But as a seller, how do you go about utilizing Vine, okay? So when you're launching a product, or even an old product perhaps, that you just don't have product reviews on, and let me tell you, product reviews are the currency of a product launch, okay? You need social proof. It's very difficult to sell items without any product reviews at all, okay? When you see a widget and that widget's available for $20 and you see a very comparable widget also available for $20 or even a little more, $25, and the $25 one has 500 4.7-star reviews and the other one has no reviews. It gives the impression that nobody's ever even bought it before. Is this legit? Is this real? So product reviews are super, super important. And it's my opinion that everyone, as a seller on the Amazon platform, should take advantage of Amazon Vine to get their first reviews, okay? Now, what does it cost and how to use it, and is it worth it? All right. You can get 1 to 2 reviews for free, right? So with Amazon Vine program, you can enroll up to 2 units and there's no enrollment fee. But that just means that only 2 people in that Vine program are going to have the opportunity to claim your product and write a review for it. All right. For an enrollment fee of $75, then you can designate 3 to 10 units for review. And then finally, the most that you can do is a Vine enrollment fee of $200, which gives you between 11 and 30 reviews, depending on how many products you make available. So let's say you have a widget that you wanna launch, right? And you don't have any reviews, so you're gonna go all in, and you're gonna pay a $200 enrollment fee, and then you're gonna allocate up to 30 units, all right, of that product to be given away to Vine reviewers. You don't know who those reviewers are. You don't know. You don't see all this happening. It's happening in the background. Somehow Amazon's figuring out, based on the product, based on the category, based on the niche, they're figuring out, of all their thousands and thousands and thousands of Amazon Vine reviewers, they're figuring out who this needs to go to. So the Vine reviewer goes and orders your product, and it's free to them, all right? So not only are you paying the enrollment fee, but you're also giving away the product for free. So you're out your product cost and you're out your fulfillment cost. It's treated just like any other order, except it's a $0 order, okay? It's free. It's like a 100% discount, all right? So if you're gonna designate up to 30 units and you put in the box, when you set up your first Vine deal, you go create a Vine deal and you say, you know, I wanna give 30 units of this ASIN away or these ASINs away. Then you know that up to 30 of those are gonna be claimed by Vine viewers. Now, the whole point of Vine is to get reviews. And to be a Vine reviewer, one of those conditions is that if you claim a product and you get the product for free, that you should leave a review. Now, I can say that I have never, ever had 100% participation on Vine reviews. So if I set up a product and I give away 20 to Vine and all 20 are claimed, I've never gotten 100% 20 Vine reviews, all right? So not every Vine reviewer follows the rules, but I'm sure Amazon has something in place to mitigate that. You know, if they see an Amazon Vine reviewer has already claimed X number of free products and hasn't left reviews, they'll probably get booted out of the program, but it doesn't necessarily happen right away. So typically, if you say, I want to give away 30 units, you might get probably, I would say, 20 to 25 reviews out of that. So yeah, there's some expense. There's the enrollment fee, and then there's the cost of giving away your product. There's the fulfillment cost of getting it to the Vine reviewer and then waiting on Vine. Also, I won't say this is a con or a disadvantage of using Vine, but I will say in my experience, most Vine reviewers are sometimes a little more critical, right, of a product, okay? It's like they feel obligated to be stingy with that 5th star. So you want to make sure before you do your Vine giveaway that this product is ready to go. Any kind of glitches have been worked out. And then you want to make the price very competitive while you're waiting on your Vine giveaways to be claimed. And you can see that in your dashboard when you set up in the Amazon Seller Central backend. When you set up a Vine giveaway, you can see that out of the 20 units you designated, 18 have been claimed, 20 have been claimed, and so forth. During that redemption period, I would encourage you to have a very competitive offer price-wise. Now, of course, they're not paying for it. It's free to them, right? But I see Vine reviewers always saying something in their review about the value. Even though they didn't pay for it, they'll be very quick to say, it seems expensive for what I got, or for the money I thought it was gonna be this. No harm in setting a low price so that you don't have to worry about that part, okay? Listen, you know what? Let's take a break here. Let me tell you, I've been doing this over 20 years, like I said. I know about this. What I just said, don't let that go over your head, okay? I mean, bells should go off, right? Everybody's not gonna tell you that. That's the knowledge the wisdom, the understanding of having been in this game as long as I have. And there's a bazillion people on YouTube talking about Amazon, talking about this, gurus, you know, young people that have been at it for 3 whole years, you know, and they brag about all their money and everything. They haven't necessarily seen what someone who's been in this place for 2 decades has seen. All right. So, all right, that's my soapbox. I just want to tell you that something like what I just said to you, I'm just like, this isn't a scripted video. I don't have a storyboard. I don't have narration. I'm just telling you, I'm just talking out of life experience. But what I just said back there, you have to rewind when I'm saying that you should lower your price and have a competitive price during the duration of the Vine enrollment process is so important, because it's going to spare you the pain of having a Vine reviewer complain about the price being too high, even though it was free to them. All right. So listen, is it worth it? 100% it's worth it, because this is why you need product reviews. And sadly, the organic rank to get product reviews is about 1 to 2%. In other words, 1 to 2% of all of the people that buy your products are going to leave a review. And that doesn't guarantee it's a favorable review either, right? So for a $200 enrollment fee and giving away 30 units, if I got 20 Vine reviews out of that within my first 4 weeks of launch, 3 weeks of launch, I would have had to have sold like 2,000 to 3,000 units already just to get that many reviews organically. And that takes a while. It takes a lot of time to get there. And you're gonna jump out of the box far quicker with 10 plus reviews, even if they are Vine voice reviews. People see the 10 reviews, you've crossed that threshold, there's social proof, your ads are gonna convert better, your listing is gonna convert better. It's just going to be a better thing. So to answer that question, is Vine worth it? My answer is a big resounding yes. So just backing up to just recap this really quick. What is Vine? It's an exclusive invitation only group of people who Amazon allows to get free products in exchange for a review. It's the only incentivized review program allowed by Amazon. Number 2, if you're just an individual and you want to be a part of that Vine program, how do you apply it? There's no application. You get invited. And probably the best way to get invited is just to be a good reviewer on the platform, writing very, very helpful reviews that are so helpful you're getting a lot of thumbs up and votes of confidence and helpful votes on the reviews that you leave for products. And then number 3, how do you go about enrolling in Vine for your own products, and should you do it? So yeah, you definitely want to do that. You definitely want to get your products launched. If you need help with your product launch, you're not sure about all this, you need to talk with us one-on-one, book a consulting call, or use our agency to manage your entire account for you. We're here for you at eComCatalyst.com. I always like to end my videos by thanking you for watching. Look, I just went on a rant back here, right? And I made this video way too long because I got on my soapbox to talk about how there's a lot of people on YouTube and you can be watching anybody, but you're choosing to watch me. And I'm grateful for that. And I always ask you to please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe right away. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. 70+% of the people that watch our videos are not subscribed to the channel. I can't figure that out, right? Hit that subscribe button, all right? You can always unsubscribe later if you don't feel like you want to see this content in your feed. But that means the world to us. But I honestly believe that I have value to bring to you as a viewer. I have value to bring to you as a seller because I have been in the trenches for over 20 years. I've been suspended. I've been through lawsuits. I've had my Amazon account shut down. I've had Amazon lose entire truckloads of product for me. I've had Amazon do the craziest things to me, right? I've had trademark violations, copyright violations. I've just seen it. I've seen it all, right? Because of that, there's battle scars and there's wounds and there's reasons that I feel like I should earn your subscription to this channel. Which is why I make these videos and share this, okay? So thank you for watching. If you've got a product that you need to launch, check out Amazon Vine. If you've got a product you've already launched, but it only has a few reviews, kind of stagnant still, you can still go back and enroll that in Vine. You can spend $0 and get 1 to 2 reviews. You can spend, I think, $75 and you can enroll 3 to 10 products to be given away, or you can spend the full $200 and get 11 to 30 products. Is it worth it? 100%. Do you really want to have to wait on the number of sales you're going to have to sell organically at 1 to 2% review rate to get those reviews? I don't think so. Check out Amazon Vine. It's totally worth it. Hey, thanks for watching.